Bonjour classe. So today we are going to be looking at les boissons, drinks, and thinking about le café, right? So everything we learned on Tuesday was stuff that you would use with a friend, whereas the stuff that we learned today is stuff that you would use in a café with people that you don't know, right? So first of all, les boissons. Oui, so as-tu soif? What are the two possible answers that you might tell somebody if they asked, as-tu soif? J'ai soif, je n'ai pas soif. Right? So for you, as-tu soif maintenant? Okay, so les boissons. So répétez. Un soda. Un jus d'orange. Heads up. We're not going to hear this, right? So try it again. Un jus d'orange. Un jus de pomme. Un jus de tomate. Un jus de raisin. So again, we keep seeing that, but we're not going to hear that S. Une eau. Oh, so again, we're making those sound connections like we had gâteau the other day. Same sound. We've got that O sound. Une eau. Une limonade. So heads up, it's not what you think, right? It's more like a carbonated lemon lime beverage. Une limonade. So try that one again, because that's one that most people will just kind of say, une lemonade, right? So répétez, une limonade. Un café. Right, and that accent's important because that changes the whole sound. Un café. Un thé. Un chocolat. Okay, so that T, we're not going to hear it. Un chocolat. Okay, voila. So those are our drinks. So if you're still having trouble with your vocab, you want to go back, watch your food video again. And as always, we have our passcode. So the passcode pour la vidéo is j'ai soif. J'ai soif. Spelled just like j'ai soif. Yeah, and then there's those 3 questions. So your job is to write your answer to the question, not necessarily what the question is, but just how would you answer it. So question 1, as-tu soif? As-tu soif? Numéro 2. And you can always pause these as you write down. Right? Numéro 2. Veux-tu un thé ou un café? Veux-tu un thé ou un café? And then numéro 3. What is the difference between s'il te plaît and s'il vous plaît? Kind of in your own words. What is the difference between s'il te plaît et s'il vous plaît? Okay, hopefully this was helpful. Keep studying. We have our next quiz on Friday. Okay, au revoir.